Yeah, you were a strong baby.
Now you're on video.
La la, la la.
No, so okay, so what were you eating at Sharon Terry's then?
Uh-huh. That's fine. I thought I had turned it
What?
off.
Well, they didn't have to do that. We were just gonna, I mean, you know, but I appreciate it.
There's Daddy.
So that. Okay.
You're something else again. Woo! What is that?